Hey, I'm Preston.
And I'm Trent. We're here with TRUiC, the really useful information company.
Today we're going to spell out some ideas for your next online business.
What's really cool about an online business is that they can be started quickly, can be running your free time on the side, and are the perfect way to test out ideas.
Not only that, but you can grow an online business into an empire if you put in the time. Follow along with the guides in the description below, as well as find links to hundreds more ideas to get you inspired.
Generally, people will tell you about an online method or two, such as dropshipping, flipping items on Amazon, loading your blog up with affiliate links, which are all great starts, but are hardly the whole picture.
Hardly. When starting your business online, it's best to have a multi-method approach, which we'll demonstrate. This will increase your brand's presence as well as provide additional income.
Regardless of your methods though, you'll want a domain and website dedicated to your business. This acts as the address, like how a physical building is the hub of a brick and mortar business or office.
We've linked below some of our preferred methods of securing and building your own website, as well as our guides that can walk you through the process on your own. Idea number 4 gives us more insight into how important that is.
Idea number 4, isn't that a spoiler, Preston?
No, it's just a helpful hint. Not everything is a spoiler. Anyway, let's jump into our ideas list. These are designed to get you thinking about the infinite possibilities of the internet without making deciding an impossible task.
We'll pair different ideas with different supporting methods, but by no means are they the only options. We just want to get your gears turning.
There are generally 3 avenues that you can pursue as the base of your online business model: products, services, and content. Let's jump into the ideas, starting with products. Trent?
Our first online business idea is the direct product method in the form of a specialty spice shop. Taking a simple product everyone uses and transforming it into a stylish, modern brand is a smart way to establish your business.
Make yourself a clean, professional website, preferably with a shop built in. Make a fresh label and source wholesale spices, grow your own, or resell and repackage through a third party.
The way you can really make this business shine is by making an accompanying social media account. A boutique spice shop with an eye-catching Instagram would pull in curious shoppers.
You can also build a blog into your site where the brand posts articles, recipes, lifestyle elements, and other discoverable pages that can bring in organic traffic. These pages can be embedded with affiliate links and ads to generate some additional revenue. Our next idea is a recurring product purchase method, such as a subscription box for seasonal gardening. Subscription boxes have taken off with the likes of Dollar Shave Club, Blue Apron, Bark Box, and so many more.
With a gardening subscription box, you can offer a variety of seeds, nutrients, tools, and resources at intervals throughout the year that encourage and enable people to successfully grow goods in their own backyard.
Upselling customers with a garden assessment will ensure people get the products that suit their needs.
You can support the subscription box business with an e-commerce shop that enables one-time purchases of additional items.
A blog and social media account will help keep you in touch with your customers and provide opportunities to get revenue from ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Don't forget about affiliate deals, ads, and sponsorships.
You should also find sponsors that will pay to partner with you to add goodies to some of your shipments. It's a great way for them to promote their own brands and for you to have slimmer margins.
So those are some of the ideas for selling products online. These next ideas will look into some of the services you can offer online.
This brings us to number 3, a consultation business, specifically specializing in video editing, software, storage, and techniques. People learning how to edit video and needing help will be our primary market.
This service has never been more in demand, and small tech support and consultation businesses are finding that their personal touch is greatly appreciated, especially in a world flooded with call centers.
Even in a strictly remote, web-based format, you can make a living by troubleshooting technical problems and guiding clients through tricky issues. These services can be charged by the hour or charging at regular intervals for on-call assistance.
You can further strengthen this business by creating videos that guide people through simple problems, which will attract new customers and establish you as an authority. If you roll ads on these, you can also collect some passive income.
You can also start a website with blog entries that discuss programs, issues, and solutions, all while encouraging the readers to reach out to your professional services.
Partnering with companies and inserting sponsored links to programs can provide you extra cash too.
Next up, number 4, a web design business. Web design has a market value exceeding $20 billion, and the need for designers is constantly growing.
Believe it or not, the majority of consumers evaluate the trustworthiness of a brand just by their website. An alarming 36% of small businesses don't have a website, which could be an excellent group for you to target.
Between making great sites, you can create individualized branding packages that can help businesses stand out amongst the competition.
It's always important. Having a one-stop shop where you can get a great site and a strong design package is worthwhile for businesses of all sizes.
Additionally, investing in and developing some interesting domains on your own can be an extra source of revenue. Those pages can serve as a portfolio showing the diversity of your work.
If you get a domain someone is interested in, you could always sell the address, the design site, and the branding for a huge profit. People frequently sell domains for several $1,000s a piece.
Remember pizza.com?
I do remember pizza.com.
There are plenty of site builders and domain purchasing tools that make both building and flipping websites easy and cost efficient.
You don't have to have a web design degree or even the ability to code a site from the ground up. There are plenty of templates that are highly customizable and look very professional.
True. A business's website is the first thing the majority of consumers check before deciding to do business with them. So whether it's your own site or a client's, keep this key fact in mind. I mean, we've got to address your cast on camera, right?
Nope.
We're just gonna have this be a thing without saying anything to our viewers who are so concerned about your health.
Yep.
All right. Those poor viewers.
Now we get to everyone's favorite method of building an online brand: content. This broad word has come to encompass everything from videos, articles, music, speeches, conferences, basically information baked into some kind of media.
So, our fifth online business idea is a podcasting business. Whether it's education, entertainment, or somewhere in between, audiences love having a selection of podcasts that discuss all manner of specialty subjects.
If you're a creative writer but want a unique outlet for your talent, consider making your own serial short fiction podcast. All you'll need is a quality microphone and some audio editing skills, but this is a great way to make money from your creativity.
Podcasters make money by charging per episode download, having episodes sponsored by one or two brands in exchange for being mentioned in the show, and selling merchandise.
Those who take this business even further sell tickets to live tours of their podcast, let their fans give donations through programs like Patreon, sell downloadables and ebooks, and so much more. It all depends on your niche and what your audience is looking for.
A podcast is a great piece of content that complements lots of different business models. If it's something you've considered doing, but you're not sure it can be your primary business, see if it can work alongside another business idea.
Our sixth idea is an online auto repair course. Car owners often look for solutions to solve their mechanical troubles on their own, especially when it means spending less at a mechanic.
And especially when brakes cost $300.
Exactly.
Learning to take care of your car on your own is an incredibly valuable skill. And as a car repair instructor, you can show students how to be more self-sufficient.
The outlook on education has made a big shift lately. People are excited to seek things out to learn on their own time and to want to source this information from experts they can trust.
Enter the online course. Whether it's through videos, downloadable content, ebooks, or bundles of those options. Online courses spread valuable information and let you monetize your knowledge.
You can charge per lesson or for complete course packs. There are dozens of e-learning sites that host independent instructors. Take advantage of these tools as you grow.
With a supporting website, free sample lessons, and even offering individualized lessons for a fee, this business could evolve into infinite educational, authority-based possibilities.
Don't forget about affiliate deals, ads, and sponsorships here too. You can offer links to products, brands, insurance quotes, and other compatible deals in order to secure some additional passive income from your existing students.
Always good to try and bundle those methods.
Oh yeah.
Finally, our seventh idea, an online fitness magazine. This popular site layout presents readers an authoritative voice on niche interests, and fitness is an industry that's becoming more widely appealing as people are looking to take their health into their own hands.
Informed writing is sought after in practically every corner of the internet and costs you absolutely nothing but your time.
Whether it's by offering a monthly subscription, putting up paywalls for access to exclusive content, or thriving on donations, your audience pays to read what your brand publishes.
In addition to those revenue methods, an online fitness magazine can implement affiliate links, ads, and sponsorships into their articles. This provides a more passive method of income, but allows you to offer more free content to attract readers.
Online magazines are an excellent business that can eventually dabble in other kinds of media such as book publication, video content, and even products. If you have the ability to be an authority on a subject, consider this as a low-cost way to enter the market.
Don't be afraid to swap out the specialties, substitute one platform for another. Just keep an open mind and see what calls out to you.
That's always a good idea. And don't forget, these are just some of the ideas that we've brainstormed for you. We have hundreds more on howtostartanllc.com.
And we're coming up with new ones constantly. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I really am constantly writing business ideas, like every day.
So many of them. And we're not just providing the ideas either. Follow the links below for full-blown how-to guides on starting each of these businesses.
We also have instructions, legal documents, discounts, basically everything you'll need to form an LLC in your state.
And we're dedicated to providing quality content and educational materials to make starting your own business easy and approachable. Give us a like and subscribe for more videos.
Leave us a comment if you've got a business idea you need help getting off the ground. We'd be more than happy to point you in the right direction.
That way. That's all for now. From all of us at TRUiC, we wish you the best of luck with your new business.
Good luck.
I think that was solid.
Oh, we could totally like slow it down if you guys would prefer.
Live from